25 knots, becoming southwest 25 to 30 knots with gusts to 40 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet, building to 6 to 8 feet after midnight. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 10, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in South Carolina: Beaufort and Jasper, and the following: coastal waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Savannah, Georgia to Altamaha Sound, Georgia out 20 nautical miles, including Gray's Reef National Marine Sanctuary. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.